it's Kilobyte here. This video, I'm going to show you how to install the over-the-door noise seal. So this was first available in like 78, 79 on the Lariats, and it ran over the door like so. Keep wind noise down. Now it looks like this, and it goes with this side in towards the cab, and it does go, by the way, right here like this, and when you close it, it should seal right up right to here if you got your door set properly, that kind of thing. Now my other door, I actually could see some of the glue residue. This one, I can't really see it, but that's where it was. And based on my research, that's where it's supposed to go. I'll be using the 3M black super weather strip and gasket adhesive, the same stuff I used putting the weather seal up. That's the best camera position that I could get for you. All right, so this is so you've cleaned this already. So everywhere that the adhesive's going, you've cleaned that up. I used alcohol water mix, got that nice and clean. So the back of the seal is also clean. Now, you take your adhesive. This is contact adhesive. That means you got to put it on each side separately. Once they've tacked, then you put them together and press them. That's to get it maximum adhesion. So, and it is messy. I want it basically the width of the seal. I like to have the little piece because it comes a little long. It's a guide. You could use like a piece of wood or something as well. Just above the door lock container. You don't have to be in a huge hurry. Okay, now I'm going to go and I'm going to put it on the back side of this, only on the real one. And I actually kind of messed up here. Nothing serious, but I meant to start with that down there when I was putting it on and not have it on the last few inches on this side. Now I will tell you, helps to have a second person so that they could hold that end. Now I am just setting it here in place, pushing down on the end, get that stuck. In the slight little curve, yes. Wish I could show you, but camera's in the wrong spot for this part. Now we're gonna go up the door. Let's keep it right there at the, just inside, right up against the door skin part. Okay. So this sticks by contact. I'm gonna press it in. That's gonna get it to stick. Scissors down here on this end. Hopefully better stickers than hopefully better scissors than I had. And again, right up near the door. And I don't know that, yeah, you may not be able to see it. I'll show you where I ended. Okay. Now I'll just press it, especially in little indentations. I like pulling down on my door. Where your door hinges out. All right. Probably gonna get a little dirty. Okay. Here we are. Comes up along and it ends roughly in the same spot as it did on the other side. And I would leave the doors open for a while and tape if you need to, like put a piece of tape or something to hold them down. And they will, if your adhesive worked, you should be good. Now the tip I want to tell you about, cornstarch. It's the same thing I used on my weather stripping. Once they were all in and everything, took a little cornstarch and put on them. This allows them to slide, so they're not gonna, you know how this is very grippy, right? So when you close it, it's gonna wanna pull it. Well, put a little cornstarch on there, or you can use silicone. But silicone, if you get it on your paint, hope you don't ever want to paint again. Cornstarch works and it makes it slick so that it's not going to pull when you close the door. But again, wait till you are sure everything is stuck down, because if you get cornstarch underneath there, well, it's slick, it ain't going to want to stick. So that's all there is to it. So I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, or leave a tip on my Ko-fi page, and good luck with your project.